Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video I am going to explain Infosys started sending the selection mail for student. It's only for those who attend their interview before month in May month. Those who are completed their interview, they started sending selection mail for student. So I am going to show the two mails which are selection mail and offer letter mail. Both I am going to show now. So watch the video till end. I'm going to explain how they got selected, what all the entry question they asked, everything I'm going to explain now. So don't skip the video and just subscribe to my channel and like my channel, then only you may get a more update from my channel. So let's go to the video. This is what the job offer letter from Infosys company, and this is for the selection mail. When the student got the selection mail, you can see 3:55 PM Infosys campus recruitment program. Congratulations, you are having a job offer letter. This is what one of the candidate got selection, and congratulations mail from Infosys team, and I am just sharing this. Thank you for participating in Infosys campus recruitment program. Congratulations, you have cleared the interview round to receive a final job offer letter for system engineer role. Compensation for this role will be 3.6 LPM and 1 year of propagation period for the date of application business unit. Please note, this is a conditional job offer subject to eligible during the recruitment process and your background verification. So after getting offer letter, the line should be important. Please note why they are mentioning and why I am reading this, because of background verification should be there. In this background verification, they will check all your documents, and they will check about the FIRs, if any cases in your name, or if you are involved in any crime situations, it should be there, means you are surely disqualified from that. So nothing should be there. You should get a signature from any station regarding your job offer. I am not having any criminal records before you. For that only they just told background verification. In that regarding, if you have any queries, you can contact talent acquisition infosys@.com. You can direct a mail to them. They provide the mail here itself. You can copy from our video itself. The falsification in data detected during the background process will be revoked from a job offer made. So what I told before, any criminal justice or crime involved means what the falsification of data detection. What is the meaning for false data detection? Meaning means it is for providing a fake certificate, or if you are involved in any crimes or involved, so they won't select you. They will revoke, means they will return back their offer letter. So surely they mentioned here, you should not have anything. So today, if you got a congratulations selection mail, means within 15 to 20 days you may get a verification mail, which is you are going to upload your 10th, 12th, PG and all document with scanned copy. You are going to apply it. So ready with that copy and everything you are mentioned in the verification mail you are going to got now. So I am going to show, this is the eligible for role, your offer letter and system engineer role. This is same as which you have sent already. Two types of mail they sent it. So this is all their process from Infosys hiring team. So they just started sending selection mail after so many years about the eligible criteria problem. So many problem is there. Afterwards they sent a selection mail. It's happy to me. One of the candidate got at 7 AM they got, and one of the student got at PM. So no problem, surely they will send the rejection based on your interview. I am provided the interview questions in our channel, each state and each department I am providing. You can visit my channel every time about the interviews question which are asked, they repeat in the state, with the gathered from student to those who attend in Telegram channel, and with my friends all over India there and my juniors there. So I got from them and uploaded. You can visit interview questions anytime. If you have any doubt regarding the interview question, you can comment. If you are not getting any selection mail or congratulation mail, you just wait. Slowly they will sending based upon their project, based upon their requirement and the eligible criteria. Afterwards only you will get a selection mail daily, or if your friend got today, means you will got after 1 week or 2 days. Surely you will get a mail once you are selected, or rejection they will send quickly. So don't bother. This is for full for freshers they are hiring, so don't worry about it. The fourth hiring is going to start. I'll provide the video in that, you can watch it there. If you have any doubt regarding this Infosys eligible criteria, I am not getting any update from Infosys, you just comment me. I will surely reply. You can watch my video before itself, means you can see the comment section. Every comment I am replying. So comment is main for me. Any regarding question, any company, you can ask me in the comment section. I will provide it. So don't worry. Slowly they are sending congratulations mail. So don't bother, guys. So good luck for your future. So many content placed in our channel. So it will be good for me. So thanks for watching this channel. Any doubt regarding, once again I am saying, comment me in the comment section. I will glad for your doubt. Thanks for watching.